Why computers need cooling?
Modern computers generate a lot of heat when running demanding programs, games, or even during everyday use. As processors, graphics cards, and other components work, they get hot. Without proper cooling, this heat can slow down performance, cause errors, or even permanently damage the hardware. Effective cooling systems are essential to keep computers running reliably and efficiently.
How computer fans work?
Computer fans are one of the most common cooling solutions. They draw cooler air into the case and push hot air out, creating airflow that carries heat away from sensitive components. Placed strategically near processors, graphics cards, and power supplies, these fans help maintain safe temperatures inside the case and prevent hot air from collecting around important parts.
Types of cooling systems.
There are different ways to keep computers cool. Air coolers use metal heat sinks and fans to transfer heat away from processors. Liquid cooling systems use pumps, cooling blocks, and radiators to move heat with a liquid coolant, offering quieter and more efficient cooling for powerful systems. Some high-end computers even use both methods together for maximum effect.
Heat sinks and thermal paste.
Heat sinks are metal blocks with fins attached directly to hot components like CPUs and GPUs. They increase the surface area for heat to dissipate. Thermal paste is a special material applied between the component and the heatsink, filling tiny gaps and improving heat transfer. This combination helps cooling systems work efficiently.
Risks of overheating and importance of maintenance.
Overheating can cause computers to shut down unexpectedly, lose data, or even suffer permanent damage. Dust buildup, broken fans, or dried-out thermal paste can all reduce cooling effectiveness. Regularly cleaning dust from vents and fans and checking that cooling systems work properly is key to keeping your computer safe and extending its lifespan.